Hello small settlers. Elminster is the next character I've decided to make after the mimic chest. I sculpted him quite a long time ago, but I was so into sculpting that I didn't cast it in time to make a full video. Well, finally it's ready, so you can see the process and results of this miniature. For those who don't know about Elminster, I will tell you a bit during the sculpting process. Elminster Aumar is one of the most famous and powerful characters in the Forgotten Realms universe, created by Ed Greenwood. Elminster is an archmage often referred to as their Sage of Shadowdale or their Grey Knight. He was born around 212 DR in the small village of Helmland. In his youth, Elminster was a simple shepherd, but his village was soon destroyed by an evil Netherese wizard. This event spurred him into a life of adventure and a quest for knowledge. His magical abilities are extensive, and he knows numerous spells. He was mentored by the goddess of magic, Mystra, who endowed him with additional knowledge and powers. Elminster Aumar also makes an appearance in Baldur's Gate 3, so if you've played it already, you will notice some similarities with my sculpture. Like the previous sculpted characters, I cast it using rubber for molding and polyurethane plastic, then covered the figure with black primer. I used the slap chop technique to lighten the edges and show shapes. After that, I covered it with the main colors. Then I lightened the edges and some parts a second time to brighten the color. It's a good way to get more colorful miniatures. I added some details to his clothes, like gold and blue embroidery. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching until now. I hope you liked it. If yes, don't be shy and give a like to this video, it will help a lot to this small channel. If you like Dungeons and Dragons or Baldur's Gate, leave in the comments which character is your favorite. The next video is special for this channel, so make sure you won't miss it. See you next Wednesday.